Hello, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to be learning about something very spectacular, something very awesome. That I'm pretty sure that this is going to save you a whole lot of money. This channel, we're all about creating products, we're all about validating products, we're all about creating MVPs so that we'll be able to launch that product into the market and become who we want to be. Today I want to show you how to validate your idea without spending up to 10k on development cost, right? So as a startup founder, you always want to, okay, let me validate my idea. I think of an idea, I'm going to hire a developer. It could be a no-code developer like us, or it could be a traditional developer. You just want to build it, hire somebody, start up a limited liability company, hire someone that you think, okay, they're going to build my idea and they will bring it to fruition. So when I have my idea in the Play Store and I have it in the App Store, that's when I'm going to validate it. So when I have my web app, or when I have my mobile application, I'm going to validate it by having paying customers come to me on any of those platforms that I would normally use. But really, I want to show you a very simple way that I'm pretty sure you won't spend more than, say, $19 to actually do this. So you see, $19 minus 10,000 US dollars that probably a full functioning mobile application will cost you. It's a far cry. There's a whole lot of difference right there. But the questions remain: how do you do this? Right? How do you do this? How do you validate your idea without spending so much money? And somehow we think that validating our idea is about having a lot of downloads, which that might be a very good thing, but it's about having a very beautiful web application, or about bringing what we have in our mind and putting it in front of the customer or in front of people who will keep visiting our website, all like that. But validating your idea is about seeing if people are going to pay. Not just people, if your intending customers are willing to give you money in exchange for the value that you provide, right? In exchange for the value that you provide, they are willing to give you money no matter how small, or they are willing to give you money that commensurate with the kind of value you bring into them. So that's what validating your idea is. And so how do you validate this idea without spending so much money? One of the easiest way that I've seen, having worked with so many founders, one of the easiest way that I see that you can validate your idea with spending little or no money at all is to replace the join waitlist button on your website or on your landing page with a buy button, or with a subscription button, with a purchase now button. That's what you want to do. Why? Because you want people to buy. You're creating a value that you think is very expensive, or you're solving a problem, and so people should be able to pay for this problem that you're solving. So what you want to do, you want to go to your landing page today. You want to go to your landing page, or you want to go to your website, or you want to go to anywhere that you are talking about your product. It could be on WhatsApp, it could be on Instagram, and instead of telling them join my waitlist, remove the join my waitlist and tell them to pay. List all the values that you provide. Tell people, hey, I'm going to give you a particular discount. I'm going to invite you when I launch. I want you to join, right? I want you to join my waitlist. Think of it like Mercedes. If you produce cars, you're not going to just produce cars just like that without knowing that there are people who are willing to buy that product, right? It's like you have to do things like you're selling a real product, right? There have to be a buyer waiting before you create your product. So when you replace that join wait list with buy now, you would see the intent to be different, right? The intent to be different, and people will begin to sign up. By then, you'll be able to understand if your product is actually a good one, or if you're actually solving a good problem or not. And one thing that this does to you is that it gives you a ready market. It gives you ready people to launch to. Not just anybody, not just people who are saying, okay, I'm gonna buy. No, it gives you people who have already paid for your product. That means you're going to have paying users even before you write a single line of code, or even before you use any no code to build your mobile or your web product, right? So that's number one. Number two, it really tells you that you're really solving a problem. Why? Because you're already making money you're already making money from it even before you put foot to the ground. People are already paying for it. People are already saying, okay, I think this problem, I really want to solve it. So because they really want to solve the problem, they're already giving you money. right? You see, you have a ready market to launch to. You have money already in the bank, right? And number 3 is that you can always get feedback from these people. You have people who are willing to give you feedback on the go because they've paid for your product already. You can always chat them up, you can send them an email. They will be glad to open your email and respond to your email because they see themselves as a paying customer already. Right. Number four, it really tells you if you should continue with your idea or not. Let's say the goal for you is to validate your product with $1,000, right? That you're going to sell $1,000. If you sell $1,000, you will know that this product is good or bad. So let's say at the end of the day you made like maybe 100. That would tell you that, hey, I have to go back to the drawing board because I'm not sure I have a whole lot of people who are looking forward to buying my product. So you see, it saves you money, it saves you time, it gives you a ready market, it put money in your bank and gives you the goal to keep on going and going for a very long time. So I'm pretty sure you will enjoy this. Go ahead and add that buy button to your wait list and you'll be able to validate your product a whole lot. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for staying with me on my channel. If this is your first time listening to me, do well to subscribe, and if you've been coming over again, subscribe and turn that notification bell on so that whenever I put in a new video, you'll definitely be able to watch it, right? Don't forget, if you're looking forward to launching your minimum viable product, we'll definitely be your technical partner. We'll offer you a free consultation section if you click on the link below and book a call today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in a different video entirely. Bye.